Hi there, students. Slime. Slime is a noun. Slimy, an adjective. I guess you could even have an adverb, slimily. Okay, let's see. Slime, this is some sort of thick, viscous, sticky substance that's rather disgusting. So, the lake was covered in green slime. Yeah, you put your hand in it, your hand was covered in slime. It was very slimy. Okay, so slime, some sort of semi-liquid substance that's unpleasant to touch. Okay, a slug or a snail is covered in slime, covered in some sort of gloop or some sort of ooze. Yeah, snails leave a trail of slime behind them as they move across a surface. So a smooth, sticky, unpleasant substance. I opened up the box and it was filled with a horrible smelling slime. Okay, so slime, something that's really not very nice. It's like a type of a mucus-like substance. Very often it's exuded. It comes out of animals like slugs and snails. People very often say snakes are slimy, but they're not slimy at all. The skin is quite dry. Okay, we also use this word slimy to talk about somebody who is a really nasty person. Yeah, they're despicable and repulsive. I hate that slimy man. Yeah. Also in British English, very often we use slimy to mean somebody who is very obsequious, somebody who is always trying to get into your good books. Yeah, he's extremely slimy. Yeah, he's someone who is not really a very nice person, but he's creepy and unctuous. Yeah, he's groveling, trying to get in somebody's good books. He's very servile and sycophantic. So his slimy business partner was very polite to me, but he didn't mean it at all. Okay, but so slimy, somebody who is morally corrupt, somebody who's horrible. Yeah, the Americans use this phrase. He's a real slime ball. Okay, so slimy, covered in slime. There was some dark slime covering the rocks, and when I tripped over, I got covered in slime. Okay, so slime, this mucus like substance, or a sneaky, unethical person. Yeah, these people are slime as a noun. Yeah, he slimily tried to steal my money. And then again in British English, somebody who's slimy, somebody who's sucking up to you. They're very obsequious. They're very smarmy. They are being sycophantic as well. Okay, so slime. How formal is this? Slime. Well, as the physical thing, I would say a 5 in formality. Use it anywhere. If you call somebody slimy, that's slimy, S-O-B. That's informal and derogatory. I think 3.5 in formality, yeah? And also the same 3.5 for somebody who's slimy. They're obsequious and trying to get into your good books. They're being servile, but for their own objectives. Yeah, and then as to origin, okay, there was a Proto-Germanic word, slima, meaning slime, which itself comes from Proto-Indo-European, slay, meaning smooth, slick, sticky, and hence slimy. Yeah, I think in Danish there's the word slim, which has a similar idea. Yeah, and then we also have this word limus, meaning mud, limne, in ancient Greek, a marsh. So all of these are together. So slime, this blech, yeah, it was covered in dark, unpleasant slime. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Slime.